Video is going to be about how to make money with PLR products and you can resell them for a profit. Okay, so that's what you want to do. You want to come over to this site here. It's called buyqualityplr.com and you get free products. All right, and once you get these free products, you just come here and click download now. Okay, and this is like 17 dollars for making your first 100 online free PLR report, so you can view it. And when you view it, it shows you, in-depth details about the product. And all you do is rebrand these, and you can resell these completely free. They give you marketing rights, resell rights. So all you have to do is resell these products, guys, and you can make money. So you put them in a blog or you put them in your post, and you add them as a free bonus, and then you make money from these products each time they sell. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Just come over to buyqualityplr.com, get to downloading some of these free products, and when you do that, you're gonna make money because people are gonna want to buy these bonuses that you can have. So the 17 ideas for making your first 100 online free. So this is free. This is a premium quality download, and you can see the price right there, $0. So you get this whole report for just $0. You get e-covers, you get the cover, you get the whole document, you get all the graphics, and it shows your total file size download. And then it says the license terms below where you can add the articles or content to an ebook or product that you plan to sell or give away for individual use. You can use the content via your email list. You can use the content by removing, adding, or otherwise editing to suit your needs. Okay. Okay. So this is all the things you can do. All right, but just don't violate any of the violations under the DMCA federal law. You cannot give this product away for free. Okay, so you must charge for this product. Okay, but a lot of people don't want to buy it if you include it in your ebook, if you include it in your bonus product. You can make a lot of money from doing this. So just some of the things they have niche bundles, they have PLR products, of course, they have PLR articles, they have niche PLR. They have the ones with the master resale rights where you can even give them away for free if you would like. That's the master resale rights. And all of this at this directory. So this is what you want to do to make money online. You can see some of the unique graphics of the product. They give you the cover, and they have a lot of different categories. They have Forex, hobbies, holiday, home business, and many more. All you do is sell this, and you can see somebody just bought some of this PLR 2 months ago. So it shows you an update in real time the PLR products that you're are selling on here. You can sell these on here. And all you would do is click download now. Okay. You would download these products and you add them to your blog or you give them you'll put them in them as a free bonus. You charge like $1 for this product and you can resell this as many times as you want because it's yours. It's a digital product, so you never run out. You can always resell it. You can always make money off of it. Okay. Just click download now and you can get started. It's completely free to get this ebook. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to stay tuned to new videos when I drop new releases, then subscribe to the channel for new content. And until next time,